हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो आप सब। आई होप आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। आज हम लोग नेशनल पॉपुलेशन पॉलिसी पढ़ेंगे कि नेशनल पॉपुलेशन पॉलिसी क्या होती है। ठीक, तो चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो नेशनल पॉपुलेशन पॉलिसी, तो द नीड फॉर नेशनल पॉपुलेशन पॉलिसी वॉज फेल्ट सिंस 70. It was drafted in 1976. Policy statement on family welfare program were also prepared in 1977. मतलब कि जो पॉलिसी का स्टेटमेंट जो फैमिली वेलफेयर प्रोग्राम के द्वारा प्रिपेयर किया गया था 1977 में, राइट। Both these statements were tabled in the parliament but were never discussed or adopted. ठीक, the National Health Policy of 1983 emphasizes the need for securing the small family norms through voluntary efforts and moving towards the goal of population stabilization. राइट तो मतलब ये जो नेशनल हेल्थ पॉलिसी 1983 की थी, उसने एम्फोसाइज किया कि सिक्योर करना है स्मॉल फैमिली नॉर्म्स को थ्रू वॉलेंट्री एफर्ट्स से एंड मूविंग टुवर्ड द गोल ऑफ पॉपुलेशन स्टेबलाइजेशन, मतलब पॉपुलेशन को स्टेबल करना है। अब हम कुछ इसके फीचर्स पढ़ लेते हैं नेशनल पॉपुलेशन पॉलिसी के 1976 में जो फीचर्स आए थे। तो क्या है उसको चलिए हम पढ़ते हैं। ठीक, increase the age of marriage from 15 to 18 years for the girl and for the boys 18 to 21 years. मतलब गर्ल्स की मैरिज को इंक्रीज़ करना 15 साल से 18 साल कर देना और बॉयज़ की 18 टू 21 साल कर देना। ठीक, अब गर्ल्स की 21 साल हो गई है आज के टाइम में। Freeze the population figure at the 1971 level until 2001. Make some portion of central assistance provided to the state dependent upon their performance in family planning. Right? Give greater attention to education of girls. Girls की education को importance देना कि जिससे कि populations को control किया जा सके. Ensure a proper place for a population education in the total system of education. Involve all ministries and departments of the government in a family planning program. Increase monetary compensation for sterilization. Institute group award as incentive for various organizations and bodies represent the people at the local levels, including Jilla Parishad and Panchayat Samiti. Encourage intimate associations of voluntary organizations, particularly those representing women with implementations of program. Impart more importance to research activities in the field of populations control. Use mass media for motivations, particularly in rural area, to increase the acceptance of family planning method. अब हम नेशनल पॉपुलेशन पॉलिसी 2000 की पढ़ते हैं जो कि बहुत फेमस हुई थी। In 1998, a draft of national population policy was finalized after consultation. It was approved by the cabinet and was examined by the group of ministry. The draft was discussed in the cabinet on 19 November 1999. The suggestion was incorporated and the final draft of national population policy was placed before the parliament. It was adopted by the government of India on 15th Feb 2000. ठीक, फिर इस ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ नेशनल पॉपुलेशन पॉलिसी 2000 हम कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव डिस्कस कर लेते हैं नेशनल पॉपुलेशन पॉलिसी के। द इमीडिएट ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या था? To address the unmet need for contraceptions and healthcare infrastructure and health personnel. मतलब लोगों को अवेयरनेस करवाना, कॉन्ट्रासेप्शंस का यूज़ करें जिससे कि पॉपुलेशंस को कंट्रोल किया जा सके। ठीक, तो समझ में आया आप सबको? टू प्रोवाइड इंटीग्रेटेड सर्विस डिलीवरी फॉर बेसिक रिप्रोडक्टिव एंड चाइल्ड हेल्थ केयर। मीडियम टर्म ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या था कि टू ब्रिंग द टोटल फर्टिलिटी रेट टू रिप्लेसमेंट लेवल बाय 2010 थ्रू वाइगस इम्प्लीमेंटेशंस ऑफ इंटरसेक्टोरल ऑपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी। इसका मतलब है कि इसका नेशनल पॉपुलेशन पॉलिसी का ये भी ऑब्जेक्टिव था कि टोटल फर्टिलिटी रेट को रिड्यूस करना 2.1। द लॉन्ग टर्म ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या था कि टू अचीव अ स्टेबल पॉपुलेशन बाय 2045, मतलब पॉपुलेशन को स्टेबल करना 2045 तक at a level consistent with the requirement of sustainable socio-economic growth and development and environmental protection. कुछ national socio-demographic goal for 2010: address the unmet need for basic reproduction and child health services, supplies and infrastructure. Make school education up to the age of 14 free and compulsory and reduce dropout primary and secondary school level below 20% for both boys and girls. Reduce infant mortality rate to below 30 per 1000 live birth, मतलब infant mortality rate को भी reduce करना गोल था 30 per 1000 live birth. Reduce maternal mortality ratio to below 100 per 10,000 live birth. Achieve universal immunization of children against all vaccine preventable disease. Promote delay marriage for girls not earlier than age 18 and preferably after 20 years of age. Achieve 80% institutional deliveries and 100% delivery by trained person. Achieve universal access to information, counseling and service for fertility regulations and contraceptions with a basket of choice. Achieve 100% registration of birth, death, marriage and pregnancy. Contain the spread of AIDS and promote greater integrations between the management of reproductive tract infections and sexually transmitted infections and the National AIDS Control Organization. Prevent and control communicable disease. Integrated Indian systems of medicine in the provisions of reproductive and child health services and in reaching out to the level of total fertility rate. Promote vigorously the small family norms to achieve replacement level of total fertility rate. Bring about convergence and implementations of related social programs so that family welfare become a people-centered program. Strategic theme: decentralized planning and program implementation, convergence of service delivery at a village level, empowering women for improvement health and nutrition, child survival and child health, meeting the unmet need for family welfare and service, underserved population group, urban slums, tribal communities, health area, population and display and migrant population, adolescents, increased participation of man in Planned Parenthood, diverse healthcare provider, collaboration with the commitment from non-governmental organization and the private sector. Mainstreaming Indian system of medicine and homeopathy, providing for the older population, information, educations, communications. Promotion and motivations measure. In order to achieve the objectives and a goal of the National Population Policy 2000, the following promotional and motivational measures are enumerated. Panchayat and Jila Parishad will be rewarded and honored for exemplary performance in universalizing the small family norms, achieving reduction in infant mortality and birth rate, and promoting literacy with completion of primary schooling. Balika Samriddhi Yojana, run by the Department of Women and Child Development to promote survival and care of the girl child, will continue. A cash incentive of Rs 500 is awarded at the birth of the girl child of birth order 1 or 2. Maternity benefit scheme run by the Department of Rural Development will continue. A cash incentive of Rs 500 is awarded to the mothers who have their first child after 19 years of age for a birth of first and second child only. A family welfare linked health insurance plan will be established. Couples below the poverty line who undergo sterilizations with not more than 2 living children will become eligible for health insurance not exceeding Rs 5,000 and a personal accident insurance cover for the spouse undergoing sterilization. Couple below the poverty line who marry after the legal age of marriage, register the marriage, have their first child after the mother reached the age of 21, accept the family norms, adopt a terminal method after birth of second child will be rewarded. A revolving fund will be set up for the income generation activities by the village level self-help group who provide community level health care services. Creches of child care centers will be open in rural areas and urban slums. This will facilitate and promote the participation of women in paid employment. A wider and affordable choice of contraceptives will be made accessible at a diverse delivery point with a counseling services. Facility for safe absorptions will be strengthened and expanded. Product and service will be made affordable through innovative social marketing schemes. Local entrepreneur at the village level will be provided soft loan and encouraged to run ambulance service to supplement the existing arrangement for referential transportation. Increase vocational training scheme for girls leading to self-employment will be encouraged. Strict enforcement of Child Marriage Restraints Act 1976, Strict enforcement of Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques Act of 1994, soft loan to ensure mobility to Annam will be increased. The 42 constitutional amendment has broadened the number of representatives in Lok Sabha at 1971 census level, and the freeze is currently valid until 2001 and has been served as incentive for the state government to fearlessly pursue the agenda for population stabilization. The freeze need to be extended until 2026. थैंक यू। तो फ्रेंड्स, आपको कैसा हमारा वीडियो लगा? अगर पसंद आए तो आप लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करिएगा। थैंक यू।